Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode, we are going to be talking about Bitcoin rallying. Now, if you are catching this from live, welcome, and if you are catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking, guys, for reals. So, please leave us a comment. It's important. After the videos, if you want to ask something, any question that you might have, please put them there. It helps generate engagement. It helps get our videos up on the feeds, and it's good for the channel. Engagement is good for the channel. Anyways, remember, if you like what we do, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Also, you can join us on Discord. Links are going to be going out right now. It's going to be pinned here on YouTube as well. like I said, certainly not being here yesterday, I did post a small image throughout the afternoon on Discord, so you guys might have caught a glimpse of that. It was just basically some bullish divergence developing on Bitcoin, which still played to the upside, which is nice. So yeah, that's the only thing I was able to do last night. Sorry guys, I was really busy yesterday. But thank y'all for being here tonight. And I'm not sure, May, did something... Are we going to be doing something, right? I haven't done roll call yet, but I think we're going to be doing something, right? Have no clue what was the word. Dude, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what we did with the word, or what's going to be the word, so I guess it's just free whenever you guys feel like drinking. I don't think I caught anything, but cheers, guys. It is Friday, so... Enjoying nice whiskey. Anyways, let's get going to the screen where magic happens and do a roll call, man. Jason Keenan, yo. Neutrino, hi. Crypto Dingo, yo. SBCA, what's up, dude? I haven't seen you in a while. Thanks for being here. Prepare for War says rockets. May, important word. All right. What up, guys? We can go with legendary. Yeah. Legendary works. Let's do that, right? Andrew's last day at beach. That sucks. Let's move on and let's get looking at market cap, right? Let's get going with that market cap. Market cap, look at that. We dropped the 2 trillion briefly. We recovered it, finding support of the 20, but we're still below or support line, right? Not good, not good. We really wanted to hold support there. Sadly enough, we are dropping a bit. We'll see how this is going to be handled, right? I'm not really worried about it, at least not as much, because it does look as though we're trying to break back above that line. But today's going to be key, and it's going to be the weekend. We don't know yet if we're going to be getting a slow weekend, right? Sometimes weekends tend to be slow, not a lot of volume being traded, and a lot of bots basically just doing wash trading or anything small volume, usually to the downside, right? So we'll see how the weekend plays, right? Not really worried about where we are right now. 2.08 trillion, it's not bad. We did get a very nice bounce yesterday, almost trying to break back into this area, but we're opening sideways and we're still below, so we could say that we've rejected so far, breaking back above that line. Still holding to that 20 though, and still breaking back above 2 trillion is pretty good. Are we doing something here that is bullish? I am going to have to zoom in. We might have created some hidden bullish. I'm not sure yet. Let's look at this number here. It's 9.16, and this here, it's 10.35. So yes, there is hidden bullish. Yeah, I got created yesterday when we were not here, right? Because we would have had this closing. So yeah, not the end of the world. I don't need here to anchor. I rarely go to the 4-hour chart. But look at this. This is a move. I just anchored, right? Look. So negative momentum, more negative momentum, low to high, right? This was yesterday's closing candle. Would have been on this candle in the stream. Would have noticed that we had this and would have said, yo, guys, there's some hidden bullish, right? Potential function to the upside. We're getting it out as support, the 20 moving average, which is not really bad. Anyways, we are bought at 62.63. Very nice, man.
1 of 3, I feel bullish. Legendary, clinking beer mugs.
All right. Dude, thank you very much for that. I really appreciate it.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
That's awesome. Thank you very much for that, man. Cheers, man. Thank you very much for that legendary, awesome donation, man. He said 1 of 3. That probably means there's going to be 2 more. Thanks so much for that. Much appreciated, for reals. Let's keep going. Anyways, we are moving up. That's fine. Hidden bullish, action to the upside, getting above support. Not worried about Bitcoin yet. Bearish divergence is still there. This could be it, man. I mean, we could start building a new positive momentum island. Is that going to be the case? Sometimes we do build small islands. Sometimes we do like to go for larger islands. We haven't seen the case here, but you know, this one's fairly sizable. So we don't know yet if we're going to be dropping more. We do have that bearish divergence to say we might be moving farther down. On that note, just be careful. We could consider this to be part of consolidation and sideways motion. We could start consolidating this area, right? So we'll see how Bitcoin keeps on handling. So long as we stay above the 20 moving average, we should be okay. So bought at 62.66, right? Bitcoin dominance, 44.22, man. Below the 20 moving average. Not really worried about dominance. Yesterday it dropped dominance, meaning it either lost less money or it gained less value than the other assets, but still positive 1.84. So it gained, but probably not as much as alts. And right now neutral at, going up a little bit, 0.46%, but not a lot. 44.21, not a bad value for Bitcoin. Where are we at here, man? Did we close gaps? Did we close gaps? No, we have this gap here that we haven't closed, right? Gap 2, gap 1 up here. Remember, I didn't take a poll, but we did do this thing where it says, if you believe we're going to close gap 1, type 1. If you believe we're going to close gap 2, type 2. I wonder where you guys think the market's going to go. Are we going to go ignore that bottom gap and go close that upper gap first and then come back to the bottom one? Or are we going to drop, close that bottom gap, and then try to reclaim that upper gap here, gap 1, right? So let me know in the chat. I'm really interested to hear your opinions. Let me know where we're going to go with this, right? Right. Michael says, hey, buddy, long time. Hope it's all well. Yeah, it's all well, man. Fireworks this weekend. We'll see. Don't be surprised. $4 beta. Very possible. 54 Bitcoin. You heard it first. All right. Awesome. Let's keep rolling, by the way. So prepare for horses 1. Haha. May says, stuck in between forever. Nothing lasts forever. All right. Nothing lasts forever. All right. Let's go to Bitcoin. $49,114. Let's get on that daily. Let's zoom in here. Let's see where we're at, man. First of all, we're going to make this larger. We had bearish divergence that moved us down. So no surprises there. We did come to the area that we called for, right? He said, if we break, remember we talked about it, if we break that support line, this blue line, very likely we're going to come retest this area. We're going to have the 20 there support as well. Look at what happened. We've managed to hold support at 46,801. Very nice. Now, are we doing anything here that is bullish? I'm not sure. I got to zoom in. Hidden bullish. At a critical support. At a critical support. Not bad for Bitcoin, right? You gotta admit, I mean, it's holding properly. It's bouncing at support where it's supposed to with hidden divergence, which is not optimal. Right now, we're still below, right? We're still below this zone. We really want to get above that blue line. If we want to continue going bullish. Now, this hidden divergence is also here, and I'm making it larger here because if I zoom out, it just looks horrible. On that note, potential fraction to the upside. We are hitting our target. That would be resistance. We did break above that line right here. And this just happened on the next day, right? So we changed days. We're open below the line. Is that a confirm above or below? I would say we're above, but we need to get back above that line, right? So it's again resistance. It's slight resistance, but it's still there. Anyways, target, if we manage to get above that resistance, which right now will be around 49,333, will be 49,691. Hopefully this time we break above that area with the hidden bullish divergence and we try to go higher. At least 51,250 would be a good target. By the time we get there, we might be doing positive momentum. How much? I'm not sure yet. So what I'm worried about creating here is going higher, right? And then coming lower still, right? But, lower still. But I do believe that if Bitcoin gets to 51,215, we're going to be making positive momentum, but we're probably going to be making more positive momentum than we have here. So we're going to be going higher. And if we get there, I don't think we're going to have bearish divergence. So, this was good to break us down a bit, retest at 20, and then bounce. That could be a possibility. That's something that I'm looking for Bitcoin. Whether or not that's going to happen precisely like that is still yet to be determined. I just remember I didn't turn off that light before the stream started, and it's casting a weird shadow on my face. The shadow of despair. I'm kidding. We'll leave that bottom cap. Yeah. Ran, if you missed my comment. Sure, man. I did miss your comment. Thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated. Right, so Michael says 54K, either 4K this weekend, 8 All right, we'll see, man. We'll see. 54K, it's okay. We do have a target there, but there's a lot of resistances we need to get above. I would say take it a day at a time. Take it a resistance at a time. See how we get to the next resistance. If there's bearish divergence, we might move down and reject. If there's no bearish divergence, we could try to push through and go on to the next resistance and then see if we have bearish divergence to then. Yo, thanks, man. Calicrop Doc. I'm always here, man. Join us on Discord. Adam, KCS, sure, man. Why not? Anyways, we're starting to move up. Not that bad on Bitcoin for daily. Let's go to the 4 hour, man, where the magic happened, man. This is where the magic happened. These were like babies got made. Look at that. They're a little bit off because I drew them with the stencil and the stylus, sorry, on my phone. But I was looking at the bearish divergence. Sorry, not bearish. Strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. Look at that. That's support. Critical, man. Critical support. Look how many times we closed there. This closing, bro. Beautiful. Closed 46,801.12. 46,801.01. We were like 0.0. We're like a quarter off target. Like we closed right there, man. And then we opened also right there. And then we flirted with this area. I got a little bit worried when we were breaking here at like around 7 p.m. or so. I was watching. I was like, oh, snaps, man. That's just going to target it there. And that's just going to target it there, you know. But we recovered, right? We recovered nice in that 4-hour candle. Still held support. Look at that. Beautiful support, man. Boom. Up. With strong bullish divergence. That's what we look for. That's what we want to see. Cross of the MACD and the signal line below the 0 line. Probably above the 200 moving average. Above 200 moving average. MACD strategy entry. That is an in. That would have been an in. That would have been a good in. Were we here yesterday, we probably would have talked about this. We've talked about MACD strategy before, remember? And how I usually tend to go like this and highlight them with a circle. We've had circles before drawn here. So, can't remember when, but we had circles drawn here before. Look, there's a circle here. So we do know here I put cross, so we're looking at that cross happening here, right? We're looking at another cross happening here, right? Another circle. So we talked about these entries before and what they mean, right? They usually mean enter. They usually mean there's nothing bearish right now. You should enter because we should be doing good. There is hidden divergence, so just keep that in mind, right? Hidden bearish against the MACD. But they usually are pretty good. MACD strategy is usually pretty good at market entries. Particularly now that we've seen that we moved above that 20 moving average. So, good stuff happening here. I'm happy with the MACD strategy. I'm happy. Prepare for horses. I feel legendary. Better than epic. Fuck. I see what you did there, man. Thank you very much for that. Cheers. That's it for this, man. Let's go and check out the 1 hour chart. Hidden bearish again. Maybe we had stagnation, right? We'll see. Well, let's keep rolling. Let's anchor this here on the 4 hour because it came over to the 1. It makes no sense where it's at. But on the 1 hour, we had talked about this, I think, right? We had talked about the crosses. I'm not sure when we talked about them. Oh, I anchored them on the 1. That was my bad. My bad. There we go, man. Look, we talked about probably crosses here and how they should tend to go for rallies. We've created that divergence drop. Look at this. We got another cross, right? Are we above that 200 moving average? That's going to be the question here, right? We always want to look at the 200 moving average when we're doing MACD strategy. Got the cross below the 0 line, right? Below the 0 line, below 200. That would have not been a good end for MACD strategy. So in the 1 hour, I would have said no, but the 4 hour, which is more significant, it would have been a hell yes. So again, you got to make up your mind which time scale you're going to follow, right? You got to find what works for you. Usually 4 hour, it's more significant, has more weight, has to play better. So the corn, it's going higher and higher than ever before. It doesn't have anything bullish about it. Right, so we're pumping of what we created on the 4 hour. But what we can see here is that we're going from a high point to a low point. Right. And on the bottom part, on the oscillators, we're going from a low point to a high point. Right? Low point to a high point. Creating hidden bearish divergence with that stagnation, potential action to the downside, right? Now, it's the second time that we're getting it. It is the weekend. We might be getting slow price action. Hopefully, it's not going to be the case. Hopefully, we do get a wild weekend. But it's a weekend. It might be slow and usually maybe consolidation. So we could be consolidating downwards. Last Saturday was crazy, I think. Last Saturday, I think we pumped. We are bought at 68.83. So not too bad. Well, let's go to the 4 hour chart. And what was last Saturday? What was last Saturday? The 21st. So let's go to the 21st and see what we did there. Oh, it was the 4 hour. Let's go here to the 21st. The 21st we did drop. So Saturday we dropped, Sunday we recovered, right? And then Monday pumped up a little bit more. Could we get something similar? Man, I'm not sure. Do Saturdays tend to be red? What was the Saturday before the 20th? 14th and 7th. Let's check them out. 14th red, and the 7th was green. So it's not a for sure thing, but we can say that out of the 4 Saturdays we've seen, 4, 3 have been red, 1 has been green. So not bad. I mean, we could be expecting maybe a red Saturday. We're below a line that we do want to be above. Hidden bullish divergence got us to pop. Now we need to pop above that line, otherwise we're going to be rejecting it. We could come back down to that 20 moving average. Be careful with that, right? 4 hours bullish. I like the 4-hour candle. I like what's happening on the 4-hour chart. Let's go to Ethereum. Amay says that Mr. Legends Dairy Farm is going to be legendary. Thank you very much for that. Cheers. Martin, have you seen the Wata games and Heritage auction stores? Anyways, if you did, this is my feeling about NFTs. I haven't. I'm not sure what the Wata games and Heritage action are. Let's get to Ethereum on the daily. See what's happening, man. We're below 3,124. Got above that 20 moving average. Did get above that 20 moving average, but we got above the 382 with hidden bullish divergence. Reaction to the upside. Great. Look at that. Boom. Getting back above. But Ethereum, it's not so bad because when we look at it, it's consolidating. It is consolidating. I'm going to go to this Ethereum chart and show you why it's consolidating. I don't think I have any lines here. But look at this, right? High, slightly lower high. We can even say it's like that. We can even say it's going sideways. And we are consolidating into an upsloping triangle. Now, those tend to break to the upside usually, so that would not be bad for Ethereum. If this is the pattern that we are trading, it could be good. We're getting consolidation. Now, here on this other chart, it's a little bit different because here we're coming higher, right? We can see that we are above the blue line, right? And here we're slightly below, right? But here we're back up. So we can say we're moving sideways. Again, consolidation, not too bad. Hidden bullish, getting us to pump neutral at 58.93. So we cooled off a little bit here. We'll see. Anyways, yeah, everyone's a real fan. Everyone that's here is a real fan. Anyways, above the 20, not bad. Let's go to the 4-hour. 4-hour chart, man. Bullish divergence, strong, right? Just like we saw with Bitcoin. So again, sometimes you do want to look at alts, but sometimes you got to do Bitcoin and that's it. That analysis fits most. It's just sometimes it happens like that, right? Bitcoin tends to rule them all still. One coin to rule them all. Bitcoin. Oh, we should do Bitcoin on like a 60s, 70s, 80s ad model. Bitcoin for the cool kids. High to low to high. High to low here. Nothing here on the RSI. Just against the MACD. Hidden bullish. Hidden bullish. Scratch that. Hidden bearish. Potential stagnation, maybe action downside. The thing is that we get to the, even if we get to 3,224, we're still going to have that hidden bearish divergence. It's not going to be good. It's not going to be good because it could get us to go back down. Anyways. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour, bearish divergence. Look at this. Look at this. Hello, right? Bearish divergence. Strong action downside. We could be going to that 20 moving average. Now, Ethereum is doing something that Bitcoin did, and I didn't call it Bitcoin. We came down, tightened the Bollinger Bands, and then we exploded back to the upside. So, right, basically, we're with this move, we aren't doing what happened with this drop, or part of this drop, right? This second part. It's not bad. It's not the best. There's nothing else happening here. Bearish divergence strong. Potential for action to the downside. That's it for Ethereum. Let's go check out Binance. What is happening with Binance, man? The Binance is at $489.17 after rejecting very close to 236. Consolidating up, bearish divergence, action to downside. Great. Let's go to the 4-hour. There's really not a lot happening here. On the 4-hour, we were looking for that bearish divergence. I'm not sure if we still kept it. Yeah, we did. Just a little bit lower. So, yeah, boom. And there we go. Strong bearish, action to downside, broke down. Now, we didn't go as low as the previous low. Thus, we're starting to consolidate in this level. How do we know we're consolidating? We're making lower highs than the previous high, and we're making higher lows than the previous low. So we're starting to consolidate into a triangle. There is hidden bullish divergence, though, for that move up that we're getting here on the 4-hour Binance, right? So not bad. They create something bullish, at least hidden bullish. Now let's anchor this. Yeah, I forgot to anchor the first one. Usually if you anchor the first one, they're fine for the rest, but my bad. Sorry about that.
Sorry.
Lower. That's it. This is it. This is good. There we go. Neutral. 55.08. Hey, El Bruto, how's it going, man? Let's get to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, low to high, high to low, bearish divergence, strong. Look there, it's there, it's winking at me. It says, yo, I'm gonna break you down, man. I'm gonna break you down. I don't care about you, no Binance. I'm gonna break you down, man. There you go. There we go. Bearish divergence, strong, potential fraction downside, breaking down. Could we going for that 20 moving average? Now, if we do hit that 20 moving average, am I gonna be upset? No, particularly if we hold it in bounce. Holding in bounce is gonna be amazing. If we drop below there, then yeah. I'm still not gonna be upset because I don't hold any Binance right. Legendary. Cheers, guys. Let's all enjoy today and have fun. Let's go check out XRP, man. Someone requested XRP, so XRP we're gonna do. Sorry guys, I don't look at who requests on the Discord. I just write down what got requested. So I think it might have been prepared for war, but I might be wrong. Let's get on to the daily. Oh, would you look at that? We're looking for a cup and handle. Someone said, yo, cup and handle. I said, no, we gotta wait. It didn't. It just took off. So no cup and handle for you, man. No cup and handle. Let's get rid of it. Anyways, consolidation here in XRP, sitting at $1.17, which is not bad at all. Considering all the problems this asset has had, it's not a bad value, to be honest. Right? I think it's fine. Starting to create down sloping consolidation, right? If we extend those lines far enough, they're going to be converging. So, down sloping consolidation, right? Usually tends to break to the upside, so we should wait. And we created some hidden bullish divergence. Look, low to high. All right. And look, negative, more negative, right? So hidden bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. We could be getting that action up. Let's go to the 4 hour chart.
XRP double bottom. Next stop around 1.50. Clinking beer mugs.
Yo, thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. That is
Thank you
awesome.
very much.
Thank you very much for that kind of HD 5000. Weekend dumb time. It could be. I said Saturday could be red. We might get a red Saturday. Thank you very much for that, man. Much appreciated. XRP, look, came back, hit spot on almost. We have it at $1.1725. Lowest point, $1.1730. So like 0.0005 cents. Very close to target. Not bad. Lower, negative, less negative, hidden bullish. Sorry, not hidden. Strong bullish divergence coming into play. You said double bottom, so I gotta check, man. I gotta check. I'm not sure. Was it on the daily or where do you see that double bottom? She had them double apple bottom jeans. What's with the fur? Like Arances is Solana. Sure. Let's put Sol there on the list. Because of the soul, man. Hello. Low to high. Now this is positive. There is a positive there. It's green. I seen it. It's barely there. There we go. And this is in the 4 hour. It is great. Let's just go like this. Man, there it is. Hard to look. That's it. Nothing against the RSI. Just against the MACD. Hidden bearish. Potential action to downside. It is putting pressure on that price, moving it down a bit. Now, if we do hold this line at $1.17, man, good chance for a bounce and try to go higher. If we do fail there, immediate support here at the, what was it, 336, 50% retrace? I think it might have been 30%, 50% retrace at $1.15. So not really bad here for XRP, right? Yeah. Let's keep rolling. She's a double bottom. I'm guessing on the 4 hour, yeah, it looks like a double bottom. Usually a double bottom, you want to come from a downtrend, right? Not an uptrend. If anything, this is what you could consider a continuation double bottom, where you're having to move up, then you have your double bottom here, and then you continue, right? They do tend to happen, although rare. Usually what you tend to see is a movement down, then you double bottom, and then you go back up. That's a reversal pattern. On continuation, on the daily, all right, cool. It probably is the same one that I'm looking at. Yeah. It's actually slightly lower. I'm going to go to another chart that doesn't have a lot of data in it. But I'm going to measure and see how much lower it is. Yeah, it's 2.4%. I would rather give the double bottom, if anything, on the 4 hour. On the 4 hours, almost a spot on hit. All right, look at this. It's almost at the same price. Look at the opening here. $1.0746. $1.0710. Slightly lower, but we're talking like the fractions of a cent, right? We're not even a percent below. So we could say that it's moving sideways here. It's double bottom on the 4 hour. Like I said, usually I don't like to call these ones double bottoms because they have to be at the bottom, right? Technically they are bottom. But you should want to see them coming from a downside pattern. Just like double tops, you should want to see after a impulse up pattern. Double top for a reversal, go back down. If anything, this will be a continuation double bottom. It could play out. Nothing wrong with that. You need to break the confirmation line. That confirmation line would be here around $1.28, right? Where we seem to have made a double top, if you will, right? Top and then another top. So, but right now we'll just say consolidating. XRP is consolidating, right? Oh, geez, that's a good question. I don't even know where Seamus is. We haven't used him in so long that I have no clue where I placed him. Isn't that weird? Seamus, you here? Yeah, he's here. So I found Seamus. He was still here in his cage. That's fine. Waiting to come out. You're correct, am I? You're correct, right? Let's keep rolling. Let's do what have we done? XRP. All right. Let's go to Tezos, man. Oh, XRP in the one. We haven't done XRP in the one. Low, lower native, less negative, low to high. I mean, here we do have this island of separation. So here I would just go from here to here. This would be a move I would be going for. One quick second, guys. All right, I'm back. Thanks. That light that was casting weird shadow on my face is gone. Let's keep rolling. Not bad here for XRP, right? 1 hour chart, bullish divergence, action to the upside. Great, we're getting the rally. We're getting the rally. Now low to high, positive, more positive, low to high. Short term, bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence, man. This is why XRP is breaking down. How low can it go? How low can it go? How low can you go, XRP? Get low, get low, get low, right? There is strong bearish divergence, potential for extra downside. We could go to this fib node at $1.15. Or we could drop to the 20-moving average at $1.14. $1.14. That's it, dude. That's it for XRP. That's where I think we could be at. So, Lasan King, what's up, dude? Yeah, well, thanks for being here, man. Much appreciated.
What's up?
By the way, guys, if you haven't done it, hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Thank you for joining us tonight for this awesome stream. It is awesome because you guys are here. Remember, we're building one of the most awesome communities out there. We cannot do it without you guys, without your support, your help, your likes, your subs, your bells, your, whatever. Just watch the stream. Your watches. $1.14 was a fib. No, $1.14 is a 20-moving average. $1.15 something is a fib here. That green line, it's a fib. $1.14 is the 20-moving average. Cardano, yeah, it's in the list. It'll come out after Tezos. So, yeah, it's weird. It's weird that it doesn't show up sometimes, right? One of the benefits of being a shadow banned. The shadow ban. It's cool though. It's cool. It's demoralizing to be shadow banned sometimes, but it's cool. We'll get out of shadow ban sometime. We'll become the greatest crypto channel ever created, man. Right side prizes don't show on the stream. This one's here. Okay, we're gonna if that better, man. If that better. Hopefully that's better, man. Anyways, let's keep rolling. There's nothing on the daily for Teslas. It's just pumping. It pumped magically yesterday. It pumped a magical 17.87%. Now, Teslas is fine. It is creating strong bearish divergence against the RSI. Not against the MACD. Against the MACD is fine. It's just against the RSI. Look at this. It's just horrible. It's there. It's like something that is bad for your eyesight. Potential action to downside. We could come down again. Fib note here, 382 at $4.84. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Much better. All right. Ripon Forces, I'm too blind. Oh, geez. I think he thinks he might have been donating like $1, but he doesn't know he's 20. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I'm blind. I don't know how many zeros I put on that check. Don't worry, sir. You're still missing a zero. No, you put it in the wrong place. No. Write your zero again. All of a sudden, a $100 check turns into like 100,000. Low to high, high to low, bearish divergence, strong on Teslas for potential action to the downside. I'm not sure why my voice just went into radio, smooth DJ radio. It's calm and easy. It's weird though, right? For some reason, my voice is coming out this way, right? Like, I'm not trying to make it come out this way. It's happening. We are bought at 64.42, right? Neutral. Sure, bought 64.42. That's it. Bearish divergence strong. Potential fraction of downside. Like I said, could come down to the fifth note, 483, and then if we break there, 20 moving average, $4.65. That's it for this, man. Hidden bullish we created for that pump. Now strong bearish were created for what could be a potential drop. Right. Keep it in mind as you set up your trades. Let's move on to the 1-hour chart for Teslas. Low, lower, negative, less negative, strong, bullish divergence. Holy Bitcoin. Look at this. Strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside, Batman. There we go. Sideways motion, high to low, medium, bearish divergence. That's what I'm going to give it here. I'm not going to measure in detail. Even if it's strong bearish divergence, it is bearish divergence nonetheless. I'm just going to go and say it's medium. It looks like medium bearish divergence. To my eyes, it looks like medium bearish divergence. Potential action to downside. So bearish divergence on the daily, I think. Yep. Bearish divergence on the 4-hour and bearish divergence on the 1-hour. Oh no, we're going to break down. Look, we got very close to that 20. We want to go for that 20, right? That's the feeling I'm getting. Like, we want to touch the 20 and see if we can bounce. It's like a game. Like, who can get the farthest away, or who can like touch the scary thing. That's usually like how that game works. Right? Like, you like go touch that wall that has the evil dog behind it. And then kids try to like get as close as they can to the wall, but they're always afraid. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It looks like we want to go run for that 20. No, we're gonna run back. Oh, we want to go for that 20 again. No, we might run back. We'll see. Neutral. Sorry, bought at 60. What? Are we at? Neutral, 57.94. That is it for this, man. That is it for Tesla. Let's go to ADA. ADA. A lot more people are into ADA, man. $2.83. And then we've rejected. Again, we're still. Remember, we were looking for consolidation. We did drop a little bit before below that area. Now we're overextended. Now we're coming back down into it. It's fine. We're looking for consolidation. It's all good. We had bearish divergence. We still created bearish divergence here. Boom, slightly there, man. Slightly there. Bought at 68.13. Potential fraction of downside item, strong bearish divergence on ADA. Let's go to the 4 hours. What we have there, man. On the 4 hour chart. Let's check it. Low, high, and where are we at here, man? Low to high, so that's fine. And high to low. So against the RSI, there is strong bearish divergence for potential action to the downside. And now, that is horrible, sir. Most horrible. Here we go. Bearish divergence strong. Potential fraction downside. Starting to move down a bit. Not too bad. We could go for that 20 moving average. Try to find support. That 20 sitting at $2.69. Now, could we pump from here and rally? I don't think we have anything else that is bullish. We had hidden bullish to there. Rejected the 20. Dropped lower. Look at that. Still carried on to his hidden bullish divergence against the MACD and the RSI. That's what we're pumping. So now we have strong bearish divergence. We could go down to 20. If we hold a 20, we could be aiming to go for a pump. But right now, we'll be taking it easy. It has pumped quite a bit. We need to cool off. We might consolidate a little bit more. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour chart, strong bearish divergence for the ADA, man. That's what I see. That's what the fortune teller foretold. Strong bearish divergence for action to the downside. Potential action to the downside. Now we're moving down. We're going for that 20. Here it looks like a more real move that really want to go for that 20 moving average. Sitting at $2.79. Not that scary here on the 1 hour chart, right? It's like, oh, we could get there easily. And we created some bullish divergence here. Look at this. Ooh, nice. Okay. Let's get this going. There we go. Neutral at 57.11. What? Yes, that's where we're at. Still pointing down. That means we're still looking for action downside. Again, we got to get to a 20, right? We're at the time where we don't know what we're going to do because we need to get for a 20 moving average. Now, when we get there, I'll tell you what, we could bounce, but we're not going to have anything bullish. We could try to bounce. We could try to drop a little below that 20. Go to the bottom part of the Bollinger Bands. Right now, that bottom Bollinger Band sitting at $2.58. Not too bad. Would be nice if we go there, find support and bounce. Even if we go to the 20 moving average, find support and bounce, right? That's it for ADA. Let's go check out Ren. Y'all remember when we did that? Oh. Where's Ren, man? Why is it not here? It's not in the R's. Did I move it? Did I move it by accident? Now, towards the end of the list. Yep. Yeah, I deleted it by accident. There we go. Ren on the daily. Low, high. What is this negative here? 00345. 0031. So 34, 31, negative, less negative, low to high. Low to high. There's nothing bullish, man. We just got to 20 pounds. Great. Bearish divergence we were looking for still developed there, right? And just carried on. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Might have the answer there, right? Remember, if we don't find the answer on the time scale that we're at, just drop to the next time scale. You might find the answer as to why we're pumping. Why we're pumping, man? Why we dropped first? Well, bearish divergence. That's the first thing. Usually first things happen first, and second things happen second. Good for Todd. Let's keep going here. Let's keep going. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Bearish divergence strong. Move down. Low, lower. Negative, less negative. Don't forget the order of things. The magical order of things. Raynard, what's up, my friend? How's it going? I just seen your tweet there on the Twitch. Sorry, man. For some reason, I don't see them all the time. But when I see them, it's magical. Now we're coming lower and we are going slightly higher. This is the move of hidden bearish divergence. For potential action to the downside, we might be going for that 20 moving average here, friend. On the 4 hour, right? We had strong bullish, is pumping us now, hidden bearish, putting pressure. Strong bullish usually trumps hidden bearish, so we could still see this action go up. We just gotta wait for the movement here or the pressure to die off. Now, if we keep on going higher, that's just gonna keep on tracking. We're still gonna, carry on with it until we get rid of it. That's how it rolls. That's how hidden divergence works. Anyways, going higher. And we're gonna be coming lower. Yeah, there we go. Neutral. Sort of bought at 67.01. Right. That's it. That's it here. we're bought with bearish divergence. Potential fraction of downside. We could be going for a 20 moving average at 58 cents. 58.62 cents. Again, why we pumped? Bullish divergence, right? We couldn't find it on the daily. We have it here. Bullish divergence. Wrong. Or potential action to the upside. Look at that. Nice. That's it. Let's go check out Atom. The Atom. To KCS. Sorry, Atom first. Where's Atom? I can't find it. Atom. Here we go. $20.19. A man says, guess the word. Log and dairy. Log and dairy? Log and dairy. Why would you want to log and dairy? Like, what are you going to do with wood and milk? I don't get it, man. It would have been legendary if we would have typed something else. Cheers, guys. Let's keep rolling. Rolling like a lion, I guess. Adam. What's Adam doing? Let's get on the daily. Low to high, and low to high. Here. Low to high, negative, less negative, low to high. There's nothing bullish or bearish here. Came down, hit the 20, pumping. Oh, great. How much? Up 14. Dude, 14.19%. That's pretty good. Right now, trying to go back down. We're still above this zone here. Now, what is this magical zone here? That will be the 382 fib extension. We can even get this to just work for us magically by just doing this. Look at this. Extension to the right. There we go. There, brother. We can see them now. Ha! Magic.
Headed to Vegas September 9th. I'm feeling lucky.
Ooh.
4-leaf clover. I think there's a little leprechaun that's going to help me out. Legendary. Clinking beer mugs.
Yo, Prefer 4. Thank you very much for that. Man. That's awesome.
Legendary.
Legendary, bro. Thank you. That is awesome. Thank you for a kind donation, bro. You single-handedly brought out Seamus today. That's freaking awesome. Thank you very much. Head to Vegas on September 9th. You're feeling lucky. Hopefully, you'll be lucky at your blackjack tournament. Seamus is out of the bag. Out of the cage. Whatever. Who let the Seamus out? Who let the Seamus out? 4-hour chart, man. Let's keep rolling. Dude, what do we have here? Is this from here? Was this from here? Yeah, I think so. Might have been from the 1 hour, though. Was this from the 4 hour? Yeah, it's from the 4 hour, right? Hidden bullish pump, rejection of the 20, drop. Bullish divergence strong created against the MACD. The MACD, right? Like, what do you call a quarter pounder with cheese in France? Anyways, sideways motion, low to high, neutral at 55.54. That's it, dude. There's nothing bearish right now. Just bullish divergence, strong pumping. It's okay. You can go. We can do it, man, Adam. You can do it. Could you come down, find support at the 382 and bounce from there, right? Wouldn't be bad. Neutral 55.67. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, bearish divergence, strong against the MACD, man. So potential fraction of downside. We're starting to see that pressure build. We're in the price back down. Like I said, might go for support. That'll be awesome if we do find support. Because by the time we get there, we might be making negative momentum. Look at this. We do have a separation here, which is tiny. It's very, very small. Negative momentum on there, almost non-existent. It's a small bar. All by its lonesome in this big island, or big ocean of islands of momentum. So bullish divergence, strong action to the upside, pumping. Bearish divergence, action to downside. Great. Go for that 382. If we break there, looking for the 20 moving average at 19.74. Neutral bought at 60.11. Still pointing down, so we could still be looking for action to the downside. Get back to that neutral territory before we run again. KCS. It's Kansas City Southern, right? 13.17. Let's see here, man. Bearish divergence, action downside, moving down, finding support at the 382, no, 50% for fib extension, and bouncing. Great, pumping 7.81%. Nothing else here. Nothing bullish. Neutral at 58.56, pointing slightly down but sideways. We've been trying to figure out where we're gonna go. Chat went silent. Prepare for war single-handedly. Silence the chat with this awesome donation. Thank you very much for that. High to low, and high to low. Neutral at 55.10. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low to high, high to low, right? Right on, look at this. Strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside might be going for that 20 moving average on strong bearish divergence. Neutral 58.90. Still going down there on the RSI, so we're still looking for that movement down. Not too bad here on Qcoin on Tether, right? So KCS. That's it, man. Let's check Solana. Right. Someone requested Sol. We're gonna do it. I think he knocked everyone out, man. Solana, $87.03. What's the other daily? What's happening? Look, strong bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence for action downside. Now, Solana has been going strong to the upside. I'm not sure how much these bearish indicators are going to play out, right? But they are there, man. They are there. Neutral. Overbought at 78.52. Potential for action downside. Where would you drop to? Well, first, we might find support here around $70.18, and then if we break there, we are looking for support here at $63.50. Draw that line there because it could be a support, right? We've extended our fibs. Also, here, you know, this, we know we recovered past that, so we got to change this fibs here. And zoom in here and say, yo, where is our move going? What is our target to the upside? So from high to low, and I'm going to consider this over here to be the low, by the way. That low there. We have got above the 1618, and now we're trying to move higher, which is not bad. We'll be going for 2.61, the 2.618. That will be the next move, right? If we do try to bounce. However, on a moving down, we might also find support here at 76.63 cents. So $76.63. Could be going down to $70.60. That would be the next target. And then 20 moving average is $63.50. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's anchor. Oh, let's auto adjust it. Low, high. Everything here is good. Lower, negative, sideways. Lower. Ah, man, I hate it when it's. All right, still very, very zoomed in. We're gonna have strong bullish divergence. Potential for action to the upside. So, oh my, look at that. It is bullish divergence. There we go. And this is just legendary, man. Here's bought at overbought 70.37. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Low to high, high to low. MA says DVT had some volume. We'll check in a second. We will check DVT in a second. Strong bearish. Action downside. Starting to move down. Sideways motion right now. We'll keep going for that 20 moving average at $84.74. That would be the move, man. That's it. That's all we have. Nothing else. If we get there, we might be creating some hidden bullish. We'll see once we get there, but that'll be it. Starting to feel a little FOMO on the soul like you were on Luna. Interesting. Let's check out the DVT. I would say right now you're looking for some consolidation. You're breaking that 20. Could be bad, but again, you're going to start creating hidden divergence. Look at this. Right? We're almost there. Right. This is 0.23 negative. This is 0.16 negative. Again, dropping to this 20 would very likely have you create some hidden divergence that could try to hold a 20 moving average. On that note, DVT at 0.15. It did pump a bit. Okay, it's worth a little bit more. I'll give you that. Let's get this some dark mode. There we go. Ooh, 0.3. Yes, it did have volume trade today. Look at that. It got up from its death at 0.00, at 2.1 sats, and right now 3 sats. So imagine if you would have bought DVT here at 2 sats, and now it's worth 3 sats. You know, 50% increase in like a couple hours. Isn't that crazy? Ain't that nuts how this coin works? Let's get some MACD, because the RSI is gonna be choppy. So little MACD, man. Get this to be the columns. Column-cium. Here we go. Columns. Make them green. And then after this, we'll do Bitcoin again, right? Low, lower, negative, more negative. Nothing here that is bullish. Nothing here that is bearish. Let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. We don't have a lot of people watching. 11 people. That's crazy. Low, lower, negative, more negative. There's nothing here that is bearish or bullish. Let's go on the daily. Yo, we dropped. Yeah, we had some strong bullish divergence before that rally. Ain't that great? Ain't that great? Look at this. Pumping. Great. Now, high to low, low to high, hit bearish. Oh no, we might get stagnation here on the price. And we did drop a bit. Now, can we get continuation to the upside? I mean, I really wish we could get this project to go to the moon. Go to the moon. I'm not sure though. Let's go check out Bitcoin. The corn. Look at corn today, man, right? So, hello, low to high. That's it. Bearish divergence, moving down, trying to recover a little bit. We're opening a new candle. We've been live for almost 1 hour. 1 hour. And I feel like new. But there's not a lot of chatter. I think only May and Prepare for War are here. Because like no one else is chatting. This we have 12 people, but it feels like 2 people. Thank you all for watching, by the way. And for being here. What else are we gonna do, man? I think that's gonna be it for tonight. Prepare for War, aren't you gonna do a giveaway, or you were gonna do a giveaway or something like that? By the way, I'm not participating on that, but you guys can. It's a party. I know, it's a party and everyone's invited. Oh, La Casa Fantasma. It's at work. But it's Saturday, man. Get out of work. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. You're just listening. That's all good, man. I mean, I appreciate you guys being here. Reals. Each and every one of you. Every day that you're here, I appreciate it. No one gave any answers, so it's all for me? What? When did you run this? You already run this question or this thing? Yeah, ask 3 questions. You'll ask the questions in general. I'm not even sure I saw the questions, man. It was Friday when you went in. Oh, that's called exploitation, my friend. You need to get out. Kidding. Don't leave your work. Oh, okay, I see the questions. Question number 1, rockets. Question number 2, shame his name. Question number 3, Charles Lawson. All right. It's all good. It wasn't Discord. Yeah, I just noticed that. Crypto will set you free, man. Yes, crypto shall set you free. El crypto shall set you free, right? The crypto shall set you free. Yeah. Am I reading the answers? No, I'm reading what he typed. Yeah, I think I'm reading the answers. All right. questions about. But yeah, I just saw the questions. I was not participating, by the way. I was not participating because I was asked not to participate. But that's awesome, dude. Thank you very much for throwing that before on the Discord, man. That was pretty good. Did anyone answer any? I typically say when I don't show up. Like, all right. It kind of sucks that people didn't participate. I would have been all over it, man. What's the story with the left on your shoulder? I'm not sure, dude. He just drunk and came out. He likes crypto. He came and sat on my shoulder. We started talking. He started hanging out. I imprisoned him for his pot of gold. It is my leprechaun. No one shall take him. All or nothing. Number 3 wasn't possible. Oh, snaps. Huh. Yeah, maybe we should let the giveaway run for a little bit longer, I guess. People do tend to, not be present all the time. Yeah, I'm not sure, dude. He appeared in the house. He was here when we bought him. They said the house was haunted. We never found the haunted toy that haunted the house. Oh, was it the leprechaun? I'm kidding. No, but yeah, he's been here forever. I'm not sure when I got him. I got him a long time ago. He just chills here on St. Patty's Day. And then all of a sudden I brought him out for some reason, and then he just became a prop on the stream. He's a stream prop. Now, don't feel bad, Seamus. We all like you. You're not a prop. You're like the most awesome prop out there. He hurts his feelings when you call him a prop. Anyways, guys, what is up, dude? What are we gonna do, man? What are we gonna do next? I just noticed that light's on. There we go. Better lighting. Now you can see my face better. For some reason, I hit that light and it shifted away from my face. It's a good stream. I had fun today. I had a blast. I really, really enjoyed being every day. Just for some reason, we're shadow banned. We only have 9 people watching. That's crazy. So I think we're going to be calling it a stream. Yeah, we're going to be calling it a stream. So if you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, guys. Hit the bell. But most important, hit that sub, right? Those things aren't going to come up on the screen. We're building one of the most awesome crypto communities out there. We cannot do it without you. Talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. This is an awesome channel. Yeah, we hash around to realist NFTs. Yeah, I sent him a message. He hasn't replied to me. I think he's busy playing games. Purple Forces, he'll do another giveaway when Bitcoin hits 80K. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. Remember, guys, all the information that we are providing here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. I hope you are entertained or educated, or both. Don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. That's gonna be all for tonight, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Untitled Crypto. Until then.